Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you fine and happy. May God fulfill your life with happiness and more success. So friends, today I am talking about the short bob haircut for women. So friends, the short bob, whether you are looking for a chic and sophisticated look or a trendy and edgy style, the short bob is definitely a go-to choice. In this video, I will be sharing all the details about different types of short bob haircut, how to style them and some tips for maintenance. So let's jump right into it. So friends, let's start with classic bob. The timeless haircut is characterized by its even length, usually falling just above the chin. It's our style option that suits almost everyone. The classic bob frames the face beautifully and gives a polished and elegant look. Some iconic celebrities who have rocked the classic bob. So friends, we have the inverted bob. This trendy variation features shorter layers at the back and longer layers at the front, creating an angled and dramatic effect. The inverted bob adds a touch of modernity and edginess to your look. It's perfect for those who want to make a bold statement with their hair. Celebrities like Rihanna and Selena Gomez have sported stunning inverted bobs. Texture bob. Moving on the texture bob, this style is all about adding movement and volume to your hair. The texture bob incorporates layers and chubby ends to create a tousled and effortless look. It's a great option for those who prefer a more relaxed and casual vibe. You can enhance the texture with some sea salt spray or by using a texturizing paste. Celebrities like Jennifer Lawrence and Emma Stone have rocked texture bob flawlessly. Maintenance and styling tips. Now let's talk about maintenance and styling tips for your short bob haircut. Regular trims are essential to keep your bob looking fresh and preventing split ends. Experiment with different styling techniques like straightening, curling, or adding waves to switch up your look. Don't forget to use heat protectant products to keep your hair healthy. And when it comes to products, opt for lightweight styling products that won't weight your hair down. The classic bob is a timeless choice that falls just above the chin, giving a polished and elegant look. The inverted bob features shorter layers at the back and longer layer at the front, creating an angled and edgy effect. The textured bob adds movement and volume to your hair with chubby ends and layers for a relaxed and casual vibe. Regular trims are important to maintain the shape of your bob and prevent split ends. If you want to get more ideas, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get all the notification of my latest videos. Edgy bob haircuts is the ultimate destination for hairstyling inspiration, empowering women one style at a time. Our channel is all about hair. If you are looking for the latest hairstyle trends, then this is the place to be, from short hairstyle to messy ones. So sit back, relax, and let us help you find the perfect do for you in next big events. So watch other videos and get more ideas of haircut like short bob pixie, jaw length and medium haircut. If you like these haircuts, take a screenshot and save in your mobile phones. I will try my best to show you all the cutting ideas in our videos. If you want to get more ideas, so my dear friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel Pixie Bob Haircut and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get all the notification of my all videos and you will never miss any videos and any collection of channel. If you like this video, so please hit the like button and share with your friends and family members on all social media accounts. So please let us know about topic you would like to see next in the comment section. So guys, relax. Let us help you find the perfect for you in next big events. So please let us know about topic you would like to see next in the comment section. If you want to get more ideas, so my dear friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, thank you so much, my beautiful viewers.